Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you looking for a data analyst role in one of the top company? So, that's what we have brought you a amazing opportunity today at Volvo Cars, which is part of Volvo Group. So, basically, Volvo Car is hiring for a data analyst in Bengaluru, India, where you'll get to work on cutting edge automotive data solutions. Also, you'll be a part of a global brand moving towards full electrification. So, this is going to be a fantastic opportunity for those passionate about data insights and digital transformation in the automotive industry. So, stay tuned till the end to learn about the job role, skills required, salary details, and how you can apply. So, let's dive right in. So, job overview, as you can see on your screen, is of Volvo Cars data analyst role, and company is Volvo Car, as I mentioned, and position is data analyst. Location is going to be a Bengaluru, and responsibility sections. Let's directly jump. But before jumping to responsibility section, let's understand a little bit about the Volvo Cars. So, Volvo Car is one of the most well-known and respected car brand globally, with 43K employees worldwide. The company is making a huge transformation towards full electrifications with five fully electric cars on the market and five more on the way. So they have already launched here five electric cars and more five they are going to launch in coming future. So now let's understand the jobs, roles, and responsibilities for if you join this company as data analyst. So as a data analyst at Volvo Car, you'll be involved into developing and implementing data-driven insights that enhance operations. Or you'll work with the digital operation data and digital employee experiences data to drive business decisions. You will also analyze data, create dashboards, reports, and support decision making with Power BI. Or you'll also be navigating between multiple data sources, both internal and external. You'll also be involved into transforming complex data into simple action-level insights using a human-centric approach. So, required skill sets, as they have mentioned over here. So, as you can see, they have mentioned everything. Strong English communications. Along with that, you have should have the ability to simplify complexity and present data driven solutions effectively. You must have the experience with BI tools like Power BI. They will prefer Power BI. So, along with that, you also have a strong analytical skills and presentation skill as well, and ability to work in a collaborative and feedback driven environment. So this is all about your skill sets that is required for this particular role. So if you have passion for a digital tools, data analytics, and innovations, this is going to be a great opportunity for you. And why once you choose Volvo Group? So now let's understand about the Volvo Group little bit more. So we all know that it's a global brand, so you'll get to work with one of the most respected names in the automotive industry. Uh, Also, electrification vision they have, so you'll be a part of Volvo's full electrification journey. And you'll also be involved into data-driven decision making, using cutting-edge tools to drive business impacts and Volvo supports personal and professional growth as well. So you'll get a opportunity to skill up and get ahead in your career. So how you can apply? So as I used to mention the link in the description. So for this job also I would be mentioning the link in the description. Do check it out and apply as soon as possible before the it expires. They have not mentioned any deadlines for this role, so try to apply as soon as you receive this video. I'll be uploading this video today itself. So go check it out and apply as soon as possible. That's it, and that's it, guys. And if you are passionate about data analytics, automotive technologies, and want to work with a global brand like Volvo, so this is perfect opportunity for you. And share this video with your friends who might be interested. Like, comment, and subscribe to for the notes to stay ahead in your career. Because we will bring 3+ YouTube videos daily on this particular channel. So do subscribe to it and share with your friends whoever are interested and hunting for jobs. Hit that notification bell as well so that you never miss any update from our channel. Comment below if you have any doubts and I will be happy to help. That's it. See you in the next one.